Hello, what's going on? If it's your first time here, my name's Gary, aka The Plastic Boy, and if you're returning, thank you so much for tuning in and spending your evening with me. So, as you can see by the title, you guys have been in the comments asking for this, which I'm very surprised about. So we'll be reviewing today the Patrick Tar Major Headlines blush. Look at my nails! Ooh, 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 ooh. So if you guys want to see what this blush palette is, blush palette is saying, keep on watching. It's not on the hand, just get my hair done, but can we take them up for the nails? That Bottega green though, that Bottega green though. I got these in a while ago. Actually, so sorry a vlog was on Sunday. I didn't vlog last week, even though I should have, because last week was so busy for me. But I just felt like, I don't know, I've been having like a up and down moment where I've just been, all over the place. I didn't really feel like vlogging, and I just feel like, why do something if your heart's not in it? So I'll be vlogging this week, so fingers crossed there'll be a vlog on Sunday, because this week is a bit more, Shazam. So anyway, a lot of people in the comments really wanted me to test out the Patrick Tar palette, and I actually looked through reviews and I saw a few videos and I was a bit like, girl. First of all, the person that I watched their video wasn't clear enough, so I couldn't tell if the colors were giving what really needed to be gave. So I was like, let me just wait for this palette, okay? So then it came on Cult Beauty. I've got it now, but Patrick, so what in the world is going on? Because, child, how much? Well, let's just read some information about this palette. So this palette is £54 on Cult Beauty. It says introducing the Patrick Tar Major Headlines Blush palette, a six-pan palette that unites powder and cream formulas for 3 sumptuous shades that will give you your best flush yet. The limited edition palette unites 3 major headlines, double cream, and powder blush is perfect for helping you create endless looks. Okay, so I've seen videos in this. I know I've met Patrick Tar 2 times. He's really, child, he's really nice. He's really tall. Like, he's like, I'm sure he's definitely like 6 foot. This was once at Hourglass, and another time, was it Glossy? Oh, I'm not sure what else it was, but I mean, he's really nice. Anyway, he's obviously released his own palette. I've already tried his eyebrow stuff. Actually, tried his lipsticks. I definitely think there could be room for improvement with the deeper skin tone category, because I don't think I can use a lot of his stuff. Like, I've used the lip stuff, but I think when it comes to, like, the lip liners and stuff, they don't really run that deep. But okay, let's open this. This is what it looks like here. Okay, let me show you the outer packaging. What is going on? So this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's cute. It looks very luxe. It's very weighty, but as you can see, my fingerprints are all over it. Again, let's open it. Why is this broke? Why is this broke? I'm gonna have to message, oh child. Okay, so this is broken. I think it must have like banged in the mail, but you can see there's like a divider. Will this focus? I'm not sure if this will focus on this glass. You can see on this side here, there's a little thing there. Oh, it's not gonna focus, is it? It's too clear. Yeah, you can see there that the bottom bit is broken, so that's what it clips onto. So if yours comes like that, get your money back. Okay, so I'm gonna swatch. Oh my god, I don't want to touch it. It's so pretty. Okay, let's swatch this cream. Ooh, it's very balmy. So that's the pink there. They're quite sheer. And let me do the powder. Oh, I need to put this palette down because let's swatch the pink there. Well, that's the pink. That is a bubblegum blue tone pink. Don't have high hopes for that pink. I know it's gonna make me look very mad. That pink one is called She's Baked. And we're gonna do She's Vibrant, which is this color here. Let's do this cream. Ooh, this one feels a bit more pigmented. Let's swatch her, the cream there. So that's really nice. I can tell that will just show up on my skin tone. We're gonna do the blush. So that's it there. This is very vibrant. Again, this is more pinky than coral. Interesting. And the last one is called, wait, She's a Doll. So let me just swatch this cream. Okay, this one is hella sheer. So that's it there. She's a doll. I'm getting confused, and Is that right? Oh yeah, it is. Wow, that doesn't look like the color. See, it looks more browny in here. Interesting. Okay, so we're gonna apply the pink one. I'm gonna apply all of them for you. I'm gonna try and not rip my face off. So let's, okay, what Patrick does, he applies the powder first and the cream. So we're gonna try what he does. I'm gonna use this Morphe area brush. And then, okay. Oh, child. Oh no. Oh, it's not bad. Let's see. The thing, oh. They have a bit of sheen to them. I'm not gonna lie, it looks cute. It's not a color I would reach for though. Like, you can see it's hint of me looking very frosty. It's giving very much, it's cute though, it's not bad. Let's put the cream on top of it. I'm gonna use my beauty blender. Like that. Put this cream, ooh. Ooh. Okay. With the cream, okay. Oh, cool. With the cream, she's doing something. Oh, this is sold out in Beauty, by the way, guys, but I'm not coming back in stock. I'll link it below. This sold out so fast. But actually, there's somewhere else you can, I'm gonna put it down below where you can get it before. You can get it on Flannel's Beauty class, in it on there, but this is beautiful. Shocked. With the cream though, the cream obviously had to, without the cream, it was giving me very much, I don't know, but you know. Okay, we're gonna take some brush cleaner because I really like this blusher brush. This one is by, no, this cleaner is by So Clean, and it's really good if you want to clean all your brushes within like a certain time frame, and it doesn't really leave like an oily residue as well, because I think it's just fair to use the same brush. Oh, I don't know though. Does this color make it look like a hole? And it obviously clashes with the eyeshadow as well. I don't know. Anyway, let's use She's Vibrant. Okay. Ooh. Oh wow. Okay. Oh, this color's banging. Wow. Okay, Patrick. Okay. Okay. You know, TikTok when it goes, okay, pipe down, bitch. That's what it reminds me of. This is nice. I prefer this. Oh. Let me put the cream on this one. I've done it on the side of this beauty blender. Pipe down, bitch. I'm gonna get demonetized. Okay. I much prefer this one. It's got more of like a warmer tone to it, but what do you guys think? Do you like this side? Comment down below. Or this side. I like this side because this side, it's almost giving me very much Barbie, which it is a Barbie color, but this one's giving me very much, you know, she's sophisticated, you know. My man's a rapper. No, I'm joking, but I really like this color more. Okay, so I took off the blush without me trying to ruin the base. I think I did a pretty decent job. Anyway, we're gonna go for the last one. I'm gonna put this on both cheeks because, child, and this one's called She's Baked. Is it? I'm getting confused. No, it's not, is it? Wait. Oh, I'm so confused. Wait. I think the pink one's called get out the blusher palette, who cares? I'm gonna use the brown one because child ain't got time to be remembering any names. Okay, let's go in with this color. Oh, this is nice. I think this one's my favorite, which of course it would be because it's brown. Oh, it looks pink. It doesn't look like it would come out that color though, like, in it. Ooh. Patrick needs to do this as a solo because this color is fucking insane. I'm sorry for my language. You know, I just love blush. And this is so nice. Okay, we're gonna do, let me take a different beauty blender because the one is all creamed out. Let's use the cream on top. Okay. This has got a really nice mirror, by the way. I didn't even check, it's got a really nice mirror. Okay. can't lie, guys. This blusher palette is really nice, but this brownie one's it's my favorite color. I'm not gonna lie. The pinky corally ones are really nice, but I just like this one. I'm not gonna lie. It's banging, but how often would I reach for this? Do you know what I mean? Like, I just feel like this one, it's warm, it's beautiful. Patrick released this as a solo. It's so banging. Okay, I'm gonna finish off my face and then I'm gonna do my final verdict. Okay, so I had to finish the look because I was filming 2 videos at once. What do you guys think of the blush? I would love to hear your comments on the blush. Let me guys know if you tried to copy it, because I know it came out in Sephora first and it sold out straight away on Sephora on his website. But I love the blush now. I guess you don't have to add the creams. You could do the creams first and the powders last. You don't have to do it his way, but I kind of like it his way because it kind of gives you that skin-like finish, because I thought sometimes blush can really, not doesn't make you look flat, but too much powder blush can make you look a bit, you know, to the left. I really do like this palette though. Sorry, the only thing with packaging, it does get a lot of fingerprints. Again, my thing is broken, which is kind of annoying, but it's fine. It is a really nice blush palette. If you really like blush and you like these colors, I would say get it because it is pretty. The formula is beautiful, you cannot deny. There's nothing wrong with the blushes. They weren't patchy, they weren't not pigmented. Like, each color did show up on my skin. I would love to see this in someone darker though. Would it show up or would it look very matte? I just know anyone darker than me, the pink color could end up looking very crazy. But again, his blushes are vibrant and he is doing something different. And I do feel like sometimes when brands do release blushes, especially with deeper skin tones, they are always mauvey, really dark, deep berries. I just feel like we do need a bit of oomph. So maybe, you know, let me guys know what you think. Again, this was a quick review because a lot of you guys are asking for it. There will be a sip and slay on Friday, I'm sure. I'm not sure if it will be pre-recorded or live yet. Nevertheless, there will be one going out. The news has been really slow this week, yeah. I hope you guys are having a really lovely week. Again, there'll be a vlog on Sunday. My coffee series is starting, but again, I had Halloween looks to do, not on here, for TikTok, and you know, things have just been piling up. My fault, last minute. But my copy series will be starting in November, for the first Monday of November, I think. Yeah, the first Monday of November. Yeah. Anyway, but yeah, thank you guys for your interest in the names. I'm still trying to lock down a name, but I shall see you guys soon. Hope you guys have a beautiful weekend. Love ya. Is that my teeth? No.